Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I cook, vlog about my life as an expat, and stuff that I do here in China. Today, we're gonna make some pancakes with my new mixer, which I bought from Taobao for a sweet deal. Let's go ahead and make our pancakes. By the way, the recipe I'm using for this is not mine, it's from cafedelights.com, and I'm just following the recipe online. Let's get started. Let's start with the main ingredient, flour. It says right here to put 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1/4 cups of white sugar, but I ran out of that, so I'll be substituting it with brown sugar, and let's just hope for the best. Four teaspoons of baking powder, and I'll be using baking powder from Rumford, which I bought from Taobao as well. One-4 teaspoons of baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 cup of milk. 1/4 cup of melted butter, but also because I ran out of that as well, we're just gonna skip it. I didn't like butter that much anyway. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And lastly, 1 large egg. I think I may need to buy myself a bigger bowl next time. So I made a mistake. You should have mixed the dried and wet ingredients in a separate bowl and mix them together. But this is my first time making pancakes, so I'm so sorry. Second speed. Third speed. Fourth. And last speed. And so that's that. That's how you make pancakes. Again, my name is Char, and see you next time.